In writing time today, we are learning to write. To be successful with our writing today, we're going to be thinking and talking about our message that we're going to write before we start our writing. When we're writing today, we're going to be using words around the room to help us write, and we're also going to be saying words slowly and writing the sounds we hear. Let's get started.
Good morning, kindergarten, and welcome to writing time today. You can see on my board I have the same picture that's in your Learning from Home booklet. And my first job as a writer is to do some thinking about the picture because it helps me to work out what I'm going to write about. So we say we think and talk about the picture, and that's what I'm going to do now. And I'm looking up here at this little squirrel in the picture, and I can see he's collecting some nuts off the tree. They could be berries, but I'm going to say they're nuts in this picture. And do you know something interesting about squirrels? They collect the nuts and they take them back to a special hiding place. So I'm going to use that information that I already know about squirrels to use in my writing today. So my first idea that I'm going to start my writing with is look at the squirrel, because I want the reader to know to look at the squirrel. So I'm going to write that. So I'm going to start my writing with look at the squirrel. So the word look might be a word you already know. So I'm going to start my writing with a capital letter, and I can hear ooh. Ooh. Now, ooh, you need two letters to make the ooh sound. Do you know what they are? We can say double O. Look. Now I can hear k at the end, and in this word, it's a K. Look at the squirrel. At is a word you probably already know. If not, you can say it slowly and write the sounds you hear. At. Now I know everybody knows how to write the word the, so that's a word you should be writing fast. Look at the squirrel. Now if you say squirrel, you can hear at the start. So I'm writing S. Oh, look at this squirrel. Now I'm just going to change and add some punctuation to my writing, and I'm going to use a different colour because it almost doesn't fit. Look at the squirrel. So now I'm going to write what it's doing. So it is putting all the nuts it has found in its mouth. So I'm going to start with that idea. So I'm going to say it is putting all the nuts it has found in its mouth. I'm just going to start with that part. It is. Now those it, I need a capital letter because it's the start of my next idea. E, capital I. It is. I think we know that word now. Is. Putting. Now if I clap that word, it's got two parts. Putting. So I'm going to work on the first part. Put. Now put has, what sound can you hear at the start? Put. I heard put too. So I'm going to write P. Now put is a word we need to learn how it looks. You might be able to find it on your word card. It's just there. Or you might already know. Put. Putting. Ting. I can hear another T. And then I can hear three letters. I can hear ing, sorry. Ing. And I know that ing is three letters together, I-N-G. It is putting all. Now, all is a word that you can find on the word card. I found it just up here because good writers sometimes need to use things around the room or in books to help them write. And all is a word that we can learn how it looks. It is putting all the, oh, we know that word, write it quick, see if you can beat me. It is putting all the nuts, nuts. I can hear n, like for no. Like for umbrella, It is putting all the nuts it has found. So it again, we know that word, we're going to write it quickly. It has. Now has might be in one of your books, or I can see it on the word card there, or you can say it slowly and write what you hear. Has. It has found. Found. I can hear. Ow. Ow. So for found, the ow sound, we need 2 letters. Ow. O and U, and that makes the ow sound. Found. I just need to reread now. It is putting all the nuts it has found in its mouth. So in. How many sounds can you hear in? In. Good. Found in its mouth. So I can hear like for mum. Ow. Oh, we wrote ow in this word. We heard the ow sound in this word. Ow, like ow. So this is going to help us with ow. Which 2 letters do I need to write to make that ow sound? Mouth. That's 2 letters too. A T and a H. Mouth. It is putting all the nuts it has found in its mouth. But now I want to join an idea together so I can tell you what it's doing with them. And I'm going to use a word to join those ideas together. I'm going to use the word so it can take them all to its special hiding place. So is helping me join the ideas together. Oh, we know of this word. What's that word? Go. So is just like go. So it, we've already done that word, can. Now can might be a word you can find in your readers, or you might like to say it slowly and write the sounds you can hear. Can, I can hear a k, can. So it can take. Where's it going to take them? Take them. Them. Like in Emma, an elephant. Take them back. So it can take them all. I'm going to do all. We found that already. Take them all to its special hiding. How many parts in that word? 2, you're right. Let's work on the first part. Hide. Hiding. And I've already got the dirt there. Ing. Do you know those 3 letters that say ing? There, it's up here if you're not sure which part of the word says ing up here. You can see it there. Putting. Ing. Hiding. Hiding. Place. Okay, now I'm going to reread and check if it all makes sense. Look at the squirrel. It is putting all the nuts it has found in its mouth so it can take them all to its special hiding place. I finished my writing today. Now it's time to check if I was successful. I gave myself a thumbs up because I did think and talk about my message. I did use words around the classroom to help me write today, so that's a thumbs up. You might like to use words around your home, in your readers, or on your word card to help you write. And I did say words slowly and write the sounds that I could hear. It's been so much fun writing with you today. We can't wait to see your writing. Bye for now.